Like, y'all might be like, oh, but Lacey, you got so much hair. Baby, I got Barbie hair. Get in here, get in here, get in here. I'm Lacey E, aka Natural Lacey E, and welcome back. Today, I want to do something different. Like, I ain't never did like a for real on how you take out your twist. So I wanted to show y'all right before I'm about to head out, because I was gonna do it by myself and then be like, bam, here's my hair. But no, I want to do a separate video on not including washing, deep conditioning, styling. I just want to do something to show y'all in detail how to get the perfect twist out, okay? Because y'all know I'm the queen of twist outs, okay? The queen. Before I show you guys how to get this perfect twist out, what I do to my hair before I take the twist out, go ahead, please like, subscribe, and share this video because it really helps me out a lot. And you know, we're trying to get to 1K before June. Can we do it, family? Can we? Yes, we can. Yes. So go ahead and subscribe if you're not already or if you haven't already done so. But if this is like your second, third time watching my videos and you not subscribed, girl, like, sis, what you waiting for? Or bro, what you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that button down below, okay? Thank you. So we here with this bonnet, my sleep thing. We're not like the next day. Y'all know I'm so bad at this. This is like 2 days later, maybe 3. I can't do the math right now. Okay, y'all, so this is what we looking like. These twists got a little body to them. Okay. This is gonna be super duper easy because I didn't do my twist like how I usually do, all extra small. So it's a decent size. So it shouldn't take me long. But before I even start taking out my twist, I like to put a little oil on my scalp. See, this is something y'all don't see in my videos because I'll be trying to click clack get through it, so you'll be watching a 20 minute long video. But I do use some type of scalp treatment on my scalp, and today I'm using that new. I'm using the Main Choice Metabolism, the Enhanced Mint Scalp Drop. So I've used this yesterday or day before yesterday, and it feels really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take the top off. Hold on, y'all know my upper body strength a little off. Y'all know. So I'm just go ahead and take this and just put it all on my scalp. I like doing this because this is the perfect time to get you a quick little massage in, stimulate some growth. And this oil is perfect because it does have a minty feeling to it. Now I do put Jamaican black castor oil on my edges because, like I said, they playing. And right here where I usually put my part, I need to put like Jamaican black castor oil right there because it was trying to thin out. My hair don't be liking me to put stuff in the same area. My hair strands are very thin. Like, y'all might be like, oh, but Lacey, you got so much hair. Baby, I got Barbie hair. I got straight Barbie hair. Like, it's so thin, it's ridiculous, and it breaks like that, like so. All right, y'all know what I'm about to do. Put some oil on these hands, just like that. Rub it. We nice and oily, and I'm gonna go ahead and just rub it on my hair. I do this because I'm like, what if I forget to put some oil on my hair? You know, it's already on there, okay? So I usually don't use clips when I'm taking out my hair, but if you new to this and not true to this, then go ahead and clip your hair and put in sections. You see this twist right here? I'm going to start at the ends and untwist, okay? Depending on how much hold you got on your twist, if you got a light hold product, then you might have to literally untwist it one by one. So you see that? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take all the twist out, okay, before we start separating. So we're just gonna take them all out. Ignore some product buildup. You see some because I was using something new that I never used. And your girl went in, okay? I went in. Okay, so I'm probably gonna fast forward through this so y'all won't have a super video, because I do want this video to be really quick, really simple, straight to the point, so you guys at home can do this. We all taken down, y'all. Listen. Yes. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to kind of like feel for the hair, just like very gentle. And you see where this hair is naturally separating? You want to just go down. You want to twirl your fingers around it and twirl it around here. Okay, so this is like now a big section. I'm going to try to separate this again. Okay, so I just felt, and then this one naturally separated. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just kind of like smooth this one to like trying to alleviate some of that frizz. And I'm not going all the way to the root. I'm gonna leave that right there because we don't need to pull all the way to the root. We just want to separate the twist so that we can get some fluff, some definition. Okay, you see that? That starts separating by itself. So look. Make sure you start all the way to the bottom. Don't do what I just did now. Start from the bottom, y'all. It's so hard to show y'all what I'm doing. Okay, that's a natural one. Let's see right here. What can we do? Okay, this one right here, like that. You see that? And I'm just going to twirl it. So we did that twist. So now we're going to grab this twist and see where it separates. See, I just ran my finger through that one. It just separated on its own. So in my front, especially a top layer, I don't like to separate too much. So I'm just take this twist right here. Let's see. Okay, so naturally separate it right here. So my first round, I separate like 1 or 2 times, but I don't force it. Like legit, do not force it. Especially if it's like a abnormally large twist that I wasn't paying attention to, I don't separate it too much. So I'm just feeling for it, feeling. Sometimes you gotta force it just a little bit like this one and just kind of pull the hair just a little bit and twirl it around your fingers. To grip that, to make that hair go back into this definition, that's why you're twirling around your fingers. And then also if you have twirly ends, you wanna get that twirl back. You don't wanna interrupt that twirl. Oh, okay, this one's looking good. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? We got one more. One more, it just did it for us. Can we get one more? Oh yeah, baby. That was a good twist. It just went into formation, okay? Like the Beyonce. And we just don't keep doing the same thing over and over and over. And so hopefully you guys understand what I'm doing. I'm just separating a little bit and going from there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take all of these out. And then I'm gonna show y'all how I fluff my roots or whatever, so y'all can understand what I do with that too. Okay, so I'll be back. Don't go nowhere, okay? I'm done. So I took all the twist out, I separated them. And this is what we looking like before even fluffing. So I really don't need to fluff this, but I'm gonna show y'all how you can fluff it at home, because this is enough volume for me. Like I said, I live in a place that has humidity like no other, so my hair gonna fluff up regardless. So I'm gonna just show y'all, but I ain't really about to fluff, okay? Go ahead and get your pick, okay? Just a regular old pick. You get a plastic one. And then what you want to do is, so that you don't lose none of your definition, because we worked hard for this and we deserve a good hairstyle. Okay? Say it with me. We worked hard on this and deserve a good hairstyle. And we not about to mess this up. No. So we going to take this top layer and we just going to lift it up like that. You're going to take this hair right here and you just going to lift the roots. You're gonna lift the roots, okay? That's all you're gonna do. The reason why I say lift your top layer, because we don't want to lose this definition right here. We don't want to lose that, okay? So all I'm gonna do is just pull my hair a little bit like this. And then that's all I'm gonna do. And then I'm good. Okay, so I see one more that I might wanna, nope, can't even separate it some more. So I'm just lifting my hair like this. I don't need to use my pick, okay? And y'all know I love my side part, but this ain't laying too pretty. This ain't laying too pretty, okay? So we need to lay these edges and pin it up, okay? So I'm gonna take Lovely Bee's Edge Control finger. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and I'm gonna lay it on this side. Now I don't be doing the whole little baby hairs, okay? I ain't got none. My babies is grandmas. Okay, they some grandmas. They grandma hairs. They not babies. Okay, I don't think I ever had baby hairs. So I just applied it and brushed it down. So I have a little oil on here, so it's not gonna lay all the way down. But I'm just gonna put a little more to get the smoothness that I want. I ain't putting that much, y'all. I just can't see. I'm trying to put it on here and look in the camera too, so y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm just smoothing, okay? Just smoothing. Don't get it stuck in your hair. And then I'm just gonna take a regular bobby pin, and I'm just going to actually hold on, bobby pin. Don't start acting crazy. And I'm gonna just bobby pin it down, okay? Sometimes I put 2, sometimes I put 3, and then I'm just gonna take a little edge control and put some right here, because I like all that to be nice and clean. I mean, like I said, I ain't real big on baby hairs because I ain't got none. So if you could do baby hairs, I'm jealous. But I just pin it like that. Now, if I want this to like sit up a certain way, I'll just stick a bobby pin right here just to keep it like that. Okay, but I'm probably gonna, I didn't bring up my bobby pin, so I'm probably gonna put one more right here, and then you just scarf your hair down and you good to go. So all this little product buildup, it'll dry, and then I just like my hair to go like that. This is what we working with, y'all. Let me know what y'all think or whatever, but let me know in the comments down below if this has helped you, or you need me to go a little further in detail in certain sections. Let me know what I need to do to help y'all out, because I wish you and your family nothing but love, health, and happiness. Until next time.